Employee retention should be a major focus for human resource professionals and business executives. An organization puts enormous effort into recruiting, selecting, orienting, training, and developing employees. It is in the organization's best interest to keep these employees for as long as they are productive and producing quality work. Replacing employees is expensive and disruptive. Some organizations track the retention rates of specific groups of employees, such as new hire retention rate, high performer retention rate, department retention rate, or job class retention rate. The formula for calculating retention is the number of employees who remained employed the entire month divided by the number of employees at the start of the month times 100. To properly diagnose turnover, a distinction should be made between voluntary and involuntary turnover. Voluntary turnover occurs when employees have the choice to continue working for the organization and they intentionally decide to quit. Involuntary turnover occurs when employees are terminated for reasons beyond their control. Two examples of involuntary turnover are layoffs, when the organization terminates employees because they are no longer needed, and dismissals, when employees are terminated due to incompetence or unacceptable behavior. Turnover is expensive. Business leaders are often surprised by how much it costs the organization when employees leave and must be replaced. The cost of turnover can be broken down into four major cost categories: separation costs, replacement costs, training costs, and lost performance. There are a number of strategies employers may use in an effort to improve retention: better recruitment and selection, improving orientation and onboarding, participating in career development, and looking into flexible work arrangements are just a few.